Ashanti Sallee. I'm a rising junior, chemistry major, and I'm conducting research under the leadership of Professor Bing Xu through the MRSEC REU program here at Brandeis University. What? MRSEC. You've never heard of it? It stands for Materials Research Science and Engineering Center. Here at Brandeis, the goal of the MRSEC is to design new materials that can be used to treat some of life's most complex biological issues that are plaguing our community. Oh, really? So what are you researching this summer? The title of my project is Enzyme-Instructed Self-Assembly for Inhibiting Prostate Cancer. For those who may not know, prostate cancer is the most common cancer in males, and it is commonly treated with standard androgen deprivation therapy, also known as hormone therapy. As the cancer progresses, however, sometimes the cancer cells can change. Each year is reported that about 25,000 men develop androgen-independent prostate cancer, or AIPC. Unfortunately, this type of prostate cancer is resistant to hormone therapy. Whoa! So how can they be treated? Well, the goal of my project is to design a peptide that can self-assemble or organize itself into a rigid three-dimensional structure when it encounters a specific enzyme. This process is called Enzyme-Instructed Self-Assembly. AIPC cells typically overexpress an enzyme named Alkaline phosphatase, or ALP. Therefore, once this peptide is released into the body, it can target cancer cells by the overproduction of ALP. Once the peptide reaches the cancer cell, the enzyme will instruct it to self-assemble into a three-dimensional structure. The structure of the peptide can then disrupt the cell membrane until it is able to invade the cell and target important cell organelle. The hope is that once the peptide reaches important organelle, it could then kill the AIPC cell. This approach selectively targets cancer cells and provides an alternative method to hormone therapy. Wow, this is some interesting stuff. I want to join MRSEC, but I'm a physics major. Am I even eligible? Of course you are. The highly collaborative environment between disciplines is what makes the MRSEC program unique here at Brandeis. The MRSEC consists of researchers from a variety of scientific backgrounds. So ultimately, we just use different approaches to attain similar goals.